Hey everybody, I'm sitting here on my 1996 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.9 in it, and I have been having a miss, and so I was trying to determine which one it was. I mean, the truck just wasn't acting right. Now I replaced some stuff on here, map sensor, all this stuff, but I was still having a miss. It just wasn't acting right. So what I did is I let it cool off. The next morning I fired it up, I drove it around the block, just enough to, warm everything up. Then I sit here and I did, you just lick your finger and go. See how it's not doing nothing? See how it evaporates? See how it's still there? It's telling me something's wrong with that cylinder. It's hot, but it's not evaporate hot. Well, I got to looking, and here's my plug wire. If you look real close, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. See how it's clean right there towards the tip? Right there. I'm going to say I accidentally pulled the wire out from the damn sleeve in there. So what I did is I always have a backup coil wire. So I just rerouted that and ran it in there and fired it up, and it is running a whole lot better right now. So I mean, now that's not freaking a permanent fix, but I mean, that'll get me by. I don't have the money to go out and buy everything. I just spent almost $100 on new parts for it now, and I mean, I ain't got the money for it right now. Next month I will, so I'll get all new freaking wires for it. I try to usually get the ones that the sleeve actually comes up to here. That way when you pull it, you're pulling from this and not here, when you go to change the spark plugs and all that. So there's a little tidbit for you. If she's not acting right, let it cool off, and then get down here and seriously just lick your finger and see how it's still there. See how it's evaporating? It's still there. Evaporating? Still there. Completely gone? Still there. And you can do that to, see, that one's real. So that tells me, now of course you have two in this one, so it's a little hard to freaking tell, but that will give you a general idea. It'll narrow you down to at least one side, so you can start looking at other stuff instead of looking at all 8 cylinders, figuring out which one is freaking acting up. This does have a computer in it, but it takes freaking, I just cleared the computer when I put the new map sensor on to see if it would give me a new readout on something, and it hasn't, but I can tell that it's misfiring. It takes a while for it to freaking tell you that it's misfiring, and then it will tell you which cylinder and everything, but I mean, there's a quick fix. See, there's that. This is actually a coil wire. See, looks the same as this one. Goes all the way back, but that'll get me by for a month or two until I can get freaking some good wires. So I'm gonna get some high performance wires that are good. Best place again to get this stuff, people, to save on money, because I don't know about you, but my tree ain't producing money. Nope, still no money hanging on it. Rock Auto. For a map sensor that I bought for this truck on Rock Auto was $20.99. Everywhere else, let's see, Bumper to Bumper, Advance Auto, and O'Reilly's was $95 and up. And with Rock Auto, I can pick at least, I can even narrow it down to what country I want to have that, and with electronics, I really rather have America. Mexico does not clean their solder too well, and China, well, it's just China, so so I'm trying to keep, at least I know where my $20 went. It went to an American company. So Rock Auto, people, I can't freaking stress it enough. It's, for what I bought, it would have cost me over 250 bucks for the high performance spark plugs, the map sensor, and there was one other part, can't think of. So, and by no means I'm a mechanic. I'm literally just figuring this shit out as I go along. But there's a little tidbit. Hopefully it helps somebody out there. You all have a good day. Bye.